salmon, steaks, bacon, eggs, more eggs, chicken, lamb, and keep the fat on it, keep the skin on the chicken. One of my mottos I've come up with is fill up with fat right off the bat. And what I discovered using my own body as a lab was if I eat something that's fat, whether it's butter or cheese or mayonnaise or a salad dressing I make my own it's high fat with maybe some broccoli, any craving disappears within 30 seconds. It's a physiological thing. It happens in your brain, and you don't crave anything. So if you see some commercial on television, they're all eating ice cream and cheering and thinking this is party time, and you feel a little left out, head for the refrigerator and eat a teaspoon of mayonnaise. It'll stop the pity party.